I run a 40K per month SMMA and you can do the same. The key to automating your agency is using the right tools to automate these tasks. I use Go High Level to automate client onboarding, CRMs, and everything like that. This platform consolidates all my client communication, all my automations, and all my workflows together. It's an all-in-one perfect tool. It allows me to reach out to all my prospects, and that's why I've built tons of AI automation workflows that allow me to do this on Autopilot. Check the links in the description if you want access to all of these pre-built automations or if you want an extended 30-day free trial of the software. For task scheduling, I use Motion AI. If you're anything like me, you cannot focus on one task at a time and you cannot organize yourself. I use Motion to add all my tasks by priority, and it automatically schedules it in based on how much time it'll take me into my calendar directly. This way, all I have to do is wake up, check my calendar, and complete my tasks. This has increased my productivity and my focus by over 70%. Investing time upfront to set up these tools will save you so much time down the line. Simply having all your tasks laid out doesn't mean you'll do them. You need to be able to eliminate all your distractions, and I cannot tell you how much Opal has helped me with this. It's increased my focus by 50 to 60%. Opal is an app that blocks whatever apps you want during certain times, which means you literally cannot open them. Get Opal, block all distractions, and leave your phone outside of your work area. This will change your life. Outsourcing was an absolute game changer to scale my agency. Outsourcing simple and repetitive tasks while I focused on the big brain activity and the higher level thinking. I hire VAs from platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr and allow them to singularly take over repetitive tasks such as video editing or graphics designs or following up with leads. They follow predefined templates and SOPs that I have built that I also give away inside of Agency Creator. And this way, I barely have to train them and they know exactly what to do, and the quality and consistency is always there. I've made a video on how I interview over 50 candidates at a single time. So if you want to watch that, wait until the end of the video and I'll share the link. For client outreach, I also have a team of VAs that does thousands of DMs and calls every single day. And they're also doing all of the follow-ups. I do this for my own clients as well. With predefined SOPs, as I said, something that I give away inside of Agency Creator, then people are simply able to just plug and play that, and VAs know exactly what to do. A simple tip on how to create SOPs is document your entire journey for that specific SOP and then just build it out. It's as simple as that. So let's say, for example, you're teaching people how to create an ad for your clients. Simply create the ad and write down step by step every single step that you took to create that ad successfully. And then boom, that's your SOP. I've personally documented every single SOP and every single step that it takes to run my own agency. And that's how my team is able to do it independently without me. I've also created a document with all of my SOPs, again, accessible to Agency Creator members, but also accessible from my entire team. So my entire team is able to access that at any time in case they need to access an SOP and send it over to a new team member. So simply store this SOP in a drive or in a Google Doc, just like I do, and then that will be accessible to your entire internal team. Last but not least, I use Motion, again, as well as Airtable to manage project management. So my whole team is pretty much in there. I'm able to delegate tasks, assign people tasks, and so are they. They're able to assign tasks to myself as well as other team members. And then we're able to have an overall project view and essentially be able to see how long this is going to be taken. From here, we're able to see exactly how much people are working, how effective they are, etc., and we're able to make slight adjustments to make sure that everyone's performing at their best capability. So essentially, by outsourcing this, using specific tools and creating systems and SOPs, you're able to pretty much fire yourself from your own agency. But beware, this takes time. And that's why I'm giving away my SOPs inside of my program. So if you do want to access that for less than 2 meals a month, then you're able to do that by just clicking the first link. So if you want to join SMMA Agency Creator, right now we're doing a huge bonus and the price will be increasing very, very soon. So you can actually try it risk-free for 48 hours, which means there's absolutely no risk for you. You get a free high-level account with all the templates that I mentioned. So all those AI appointment setters, AI cold callers, everything that I've ever shown on my YouTube channel will now be given out on a huge plug and play template for free where you can access it through this program. You also get 10 coaching calls per week. Yes, you heard that right, which is 3,600 coaching calls every year. This is with coaches such as myself and other 50 to 100K agency owners. That it's absolutely insane, right? So you can get all of that as well as a free one-on-one call with me right now. So if you want to join that, click the first link in the description, Agency Creator at School.